Well, I sprained my ankle and was in a boot, and after about 6 weeks, because I was going on some trips, they said, hey, you better go and start some PT. So he referred me to Preferred PT, and it has been a great experience. I've only done it for, 3 weeks now. I'm ready to go on my cruise. Everything is working great. Well, I couldn't walk. Couldn't walk without my boot on. And I was so happy to come out of the boot and start strengthening my ankle, and it's perfect. After 3 weeks of PT, I'm fine. 4 weeks, I guess it was, total. Yes, I have. And this experience at this particular place is amazing compared to the other ones that I've gone to. The personal attention you get, everything has just been great. Absolutely. Absolutely. In fact, I'm going to come back and have them work on my hip because it's been bothering me. Don't be nervous. Just go in and do it. You have to exercise, but after you start strengthening it, you will see the difference. Just the people. I mean, it's so friendly. You feel very comfortable in here. And if you can't do something, they kind of figure out another way of doing that exercise to get the same benefits. To be able to walk without a boot on. Absolutely. Absolutely.